We will guide you through how you can factory reset your PS4. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's jump into this.
So the first thing that you need to do is swipe up using your left analog on your PS4 controller. Then when you get to this section right here, you will need to open up the settings option that is found right here. We select that option, then we scroll down to the bottom in the settings, and we find the initialization option right here. We select the X button to open it up, and here we have multiple options. The first option is restore default settings, which will only reset default settings such as your sound settings and your screen settings such as resolution, etc., but it won't delete any of your data that is on your PS4 such as games, etc. And then you have the initialize PS4 section. If you select this, you will completely factory reset your PS4. It will be back to the initial setup section that you bought it with. So first off, let's select that. After you select that, you have two options. You can either quick initialize it, which will delete everything from the system storage and initialize the PS4, but the data could be later on retrieved using specialized tools from third-party applications. But then we have the second option, which is the full option. Here, everything will be deleted and it will take several hours, but it won't be able to be retrieved ever. So we select that, and after we select that, we can go over to the initialize button and delete everything. As you can see, all users and all data will be deleted. After you press the initialize button, you will be taken to a black screen where it will have a loading bar which will tell you how long it will take to finish up the factory reset. I only recommend doing this if you're sure that you want to delete everything. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.